Since the pandemic started, the need to spread awareness for COVID around the world has only increased. So tell us a little bit about Facebook's recent partnership with Translators Without Borders and your involvement with TICO-19 initiative.
Yeah, so this is really close to my heart as well. This started with a question, right? How can we help? How can we do more in this crisis for COVID? Particularly in my team, what we're good at translation, right? Based on previous research on emergency situations, machine translation has been widely used for first responders to build technology to track, what people are saying, where are the needs, for example, in an earthquake, in places, say, where the first responders don't speak necessarily the local language, they use translation to track and have dashboards and monitors to see where do they need to send resources to. So translation has been a technology that has been used for emergency response in the past, but we don't know how well do we do in this new COVID world, right? So we first reached out to folks in Translators Without Borders to see how can we help. And they were really excited about collaborating in ways to supporting the community efforts. First, to translate urgent material, because that was a need, right? They have connections to people on the ground in places around the world where they need now help translating things. And, we have resources so we can connect, we can get the translation then by professionals and give them back to them. So that's one way we could have support. We added support, but also, we wanted to build technology so translators could do a better job of translating COVID sensitive material. So we started knocking doors. We talked to colleagues from CMU, John Hopkins, and then Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and many other companies joined this TICO-19 initiative. And that's how it born. It's crazy because we didn't know that this level of collaboration we could have reached in other situations, but given the type of effort, everybody, we collaborated very, very well. Fortunately, we found a way of getting together and bring this evaluation data for COVID-related domains and resources for translators around the world for 30 plus languages.